Hello guys and welcome back on the channel. Today I have a big news for you. The trading backtest app is almost here. It's not finished yet, we are currently working on it, but it's almost here. In today's video I'm not going to show you everything about the software, but I want to tell you that with this app you will be able to create your trading strategy, backtest it, see some information about it. For example, the balance, the average success rate, every trade the software took. For example, let's see this trade. Okay, this one. As you can see, you will be able to put on your chart some indicators like EMA or let's see MACD, ATR, RMA, ADX, and many other indicators. So the purpose of the video is not to show you everything about the software, because today we have to backtest a trading strategy, but I will do another video in the future, so when the app will be ready. So stay tuned. So today we are going to backtest a new trading strategy, easy scalping crypto strategy for the 5-minute time frame on the Bitcoin from my trading journey. I will leave anyway the link of this video in the description so you can check it for the basic conditions. So let's see some examples so you can clearly understand how this strategy works. First of all, you have to put on your chart Ekenashi. So you choose Ekenashi. Then you have to put on your chart EMA. So you search EMA, this one. You have to set it to 200, so 200. Then you will need parabolic SAR, so is this indicator. The settings are the default one, so as you can see, but I disabled the buy label and sell label because you will not need that. And then you will need a RSI 14, but I can show you it on TradingView because I don't have the premium plan. So that's it. In order to open a long position, you have to check that the parabolic SAR turns green, so from red to green. You have to check that the low is equal to the open. Here it happens in the last candle, and you have to check in the last 5 candles that the lows of the candles are above EMA 200, and then you can open your long position after you checked the last condition, that is that the RSI 14 must be above 50. So you can open your long position, setting your stop loss to the parabolic SAR, and you will exit at when the super trend turns red. The closing price is not this one, it's here because you have to search it on the OHLC chart, because the real close is this one. So as you can see, it was a success. Let's see another trade. Okay, this one. So as you can see, parabolic SAR turns green. Last 5 candles have their lows above EMA 200. The last candle has the low equal to the open. Then you can open your long position after you have checked for RSI 14 to be above 50. In this case it happens. So you can open your long position, setting your stop loss to the parabolic SAR. You will exit when it turns red, and as you can see it was a profit. This price is the close price of this candle on the OHLC chart, because I say it again, this is not the real close of the candle. The price, the closing price is this one, and you have to check it on the OHLC chart. Let's see a short one. So parabolic SAR turns red, IG equal to open, last 5 candles have their IG below EMA 200. You can open your short position and you will exit when the parabolic SAR turns green. Sorry. So in this case it happens almost here, and you will exit your position. So this strategy seems to perform pretty well. So let's see how it performs over years of data. Sorry guys for today's video, but there was an error in it. Some of you may have seen the video, I apologize for that, the average success rate was not 60% because I made an error while I was setting the software for today's video, and I apologize for that. After I found out that there was an error, I immediately corrected it, and now I'm making the new video for today, and maybe you will see it in a few hours after I upload it. So sorry guys, and now I'm making the new analysis on this strategy with the real average success rate. And as you can see, for now on the trained dataset, the average success rate it's pretty far from the one we have seen in the previous video. In fact, the previous video was 60%, but now is 51%. One of the important thing on this channel is the transparency, and I immediately decided to remove it and make the new video with the new average success rate. So I apologize again. And yeah, as you can see, it doesn't perform well at all. It almost break even, it's not statistically profitable, and yeah, it's not a good trading strategy. But maybe with statistical analysis we can make some improvements, and let's see if there are some improvements, if they are. So first of all, with after fixing this error, I find out that the average success rate in buy and sell was pretty the same, always 50% and not 60%. And for today's video, I decided to use RSI 14 as I did in the previous one. So now I found out that with the improvement I made for the last video, so RSI 14 above 55, the new average success rate for buy would have been almost the same, but in sell, if you have checked in the last candle for RSI 14 to be below 35, the new average success rate would have been 52.3, 1 percentage point higher than before. So that's good. The strategy had an improvement. Maybe it was not overfitted. So it's time to see if this improvement is real or not, and if it will pass the confidence interval test on the test dataset, obviously. So I have already added the two conditions, so 55 and 45. So let me show you where it is. 45, it was here. As you can see, here are all the settings for today's video, so you can clearly see that these are the settings. So if you want to take a look, feel free to do it. But now let's run again the strategy and let's see if this improvement is real or not. Okay, as you can see now, 51.52. It's half percentage point higher than before, not big improvement surely, and this strategy is not statistically profitable. As you can see, this strategy doesn't perform well at all, and I apologize again for the error in the settings I made in the last video. Sorry. So if you try to search it, it's not anymore online, so don't try it. It was 60%, but don't search for it because I removed it immediately. So as you can see, it was not statistically profitable. But let's see how it performs on the test dataset. So let's run again the strategy on the test dataset and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see, 51.24, that it is in the confidence interval we have calculated before. So we are pretty sure that this strategy was not overfitted. And as you can see here, we have the plot of the balance. It's not one of the best plot we have seen on the channel. Yeah, you would have been profitable without commissions, but with commissions you would have lost all your money, or almost all your money. No, all your money in the test dataset also. So that's not good. Very bad results from this strategy. So I apologize again before ending the video, and as I said also in the previous video before, I can make errors. I'm not a robot, I'm a human, and yeah, that is. I remember you also that I'm not a financial advisor. These are not financial advices, and I'm not responsible of any use of this strategy or other strategies on this channel. Pay attention, trading is very dangerous. But if you enjoyed this content, I remind you to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!